Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who may be new, my name is Adriana and I film about makeup and also minimalism here on this channel. For those of you who are not new, welcome back. So I have already filmed a finished 21 products in the year 2020 with Jen, who is from the channel Glam Mom. She is my best friend, practically my sister, and both of our birthdays are in January and we were supposed to see each other and because of the pandemic we're not, most likely, which I don't want to talk about it. I'm really heartbroken about it, but I decided to treat myself without spending money to some new products that are already in my stash that I just haven't used. I decided to do a finish sample products in the month of January, which is my birthday month. So this is going to be my birthday sample use up. So here I just have some samples, but there's stuff that I really want to finish. But I just wanted to show these kind of as an example because I have a ton of samples. This isn't even including like my makeup samples. So I think I am going to be grabbing some like primer samples and things like that that I want to finish up in January. So let's go ahead and pull some stuff. I did grab this, which is makeup. This is from Smashbox. It's the Photo Finish Primer Oil, which I did try like twice and I liked it. I actually have two of these little guys. So I want to finish those up this month. And I think the rest might be skincare. This is from Amore Pacific. It's a treatment enzyme peel. It's probably like a one-use thing. I've had it forever. Now, when I say I've had these things forever, like other than one thing, I'm pretty sure I've had these for like at least a year, like just hanging out, you know? I've started using this from It Cosmetics. It's a 3-in-1 anti-aging tonic, and it's called the It Cosmetics Miracle Water. So I have that. I've also used this twice from Glam Glow, and it is the hydrating treatment. So it's just like a mask and you could rinse it off or keep it on. And I did actually like this. I feel like this might be a little bit more than half full. This one I am using, but I need to just use it up, like use it like a week in a row and I'll be done with it. I really like the way this smells. It's from Kiehl's. It's the Ginger Leaf and Hibiscus Firming Mask. It's really hard with skincare to see if something works because you're not getting enough for like a few weeks, right? Like I'm not going to see if this is really firming anything. I feel like sometimes skincare is more so to make sure that you don't have these like samples, to make sure you don't have allergies or bad reactions to them. Another thing that I have is this Squalene Probiotic Gel Moisturizer from Bioessence. Ooh. There is not a lot in here at all. Like I could use that in 2 days. I need to just use them. This was sent to me with a bunch of other stuff from this company, Elevation or Elevation, I'm not sure, but it's these boosting drops. I've used it a few times. It's nice. I don't know what they do, but you know what? I have it and I'm going to use it. This I can probably finish like in 3 more uses. This is from It Cosmetics and it is the Skin Softening Serum Concentrate by Makeup. I actually really like it. I like these like makeup removing balms. I just don't really want to like buy one because I feel like they're all kind of pricey. If you have a favorite one, list it down below in the comments so I can maybe check them out. I do have like reusable cotton rounds, like bamboo made cotton rounds to take off my makeup, but I don't want to like scrub at my face and pull at it. So we'll see. Okay, and the last little sample I have here is a treatment enzyme peel from Amore Pacific. Again, this brand is like super fancy, super expensive. Like the face cream is like hundreds of dollars, kind of expensive. So I got something like years ago or God knows how long ago, and it came with a bunch of samples and things like that. And then like if Sephora has any kind of sample like this, I'll always get it. But these are just some of the products I want to finish, but I just, like I feel like, look, I'm trying to grab the ones that I think I could finish super fast, and it's almost all of them. Oh, one last one here is a overnight perfector from Living Proof, and it's a nightcap overnight protector for your hair. And yeah, you can leave it in or wash it out in the morning, and it's pillow safe. I've had this for a really long time. I love Living Proof, and I do have a lot of samples from them, so I just kind of threw this in here as like the first one. So at the end of the month, I will film another quick video kind of showing everything that I finished. So hopefully everything in here will be in there, plus a lot more. So I will keep you guys posted. Comment down below and let me know. Do you guys think I'm actually going to do this, or am I going to forget about it? No, really, let me know if there are skincare products, hair care products, body products, lotions, anything that you guys are just like hoarding and holding on to. And we get so excited when we place like Ulta orders or Sephora orders or Nordstrom and you get like samples. We're always excited, right? But then we don't use them. So if you have samples, guys, let's just do it. Okay, so I will probably try to throw in some makeup samples also, so I can start freeing up some space. So that is it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and let's stay busy. Bye, guys.